hip bugging you? Well, here are 3 things that you can do to fix your hip, to fix your low back. 3 frog stretch variations. You're gonna get the feet out. If it kind of is uncomfortable for the feet to be like this, you can point them this way if you want. Just a quick tip. But you're gonna rock back and forth. Rock back and forth in this position. This is just great to open up the hips, open up the adductors, and you try to stay nice and neutral as you do this. Second variation, try to hold the deepest frog stretch position you can, and now do an isolated low back cat-cow in this, basically anteriorly and posteriorly tilting your pelvis. This is quite difficult, but very good for opening up this hip. The last variation, as you rock forward in this frog stretch, you're gonna internally rotate 1 hip at a time. So lift as far as you can, do both sides. This is getting some additional hip motion involved with it. Incorporate these 3 movements into your routine so you can free up those hips and fix that low back.